Want to customize your Safari background on iPhone? You can change it in seconds. Here's how. First, open the Safari app. Make sure you're on the Start page. If you're not, open a new tab. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom, tap Edit. You'll see several customization options. Look for Background Image. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Once enabled, you'll see different background options appear. You have two choices. First, choose one of Apple's built-in wallpapers. Just tap the one you like. Safari applies it instantly. Or, for something more personal, tap the plus icon. Select a photo from your gallery. The moment you choose it, Safari updates automatically. There's no save button. It changes instantly, that's it. Simple way to make your iPhone feel more personal. If this helped, like the video. And subscribe for more iPhone tips.